Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to make use of the Gann Levels Indicator for MT4. All right, if you want to download the indicator, just check the description below. You're going to find the link to download the indicator. All right, after downloading the indicator, just head over to your indicators folder for MT4 and paste the indicator file in there. After that, you head back to your navigator, right click and refresh. Okay, so after refreshing, you should find the Gann Levels Indicator for MT4. Okay, just drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. And as for your input, you can see the customizable settings here, the draw days, the show text, and the order. Right, these are the default values and default settings basically. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. All right, it is designed to automatically plot key Gann-based support resistance levels, right? Gann-based support and resistance levels. So it helps you to be able to spot reversals, breakout zones, and all of that, right? On the chart, you can see these lines, these horizontal lines, right? They are the Gann-based support and resistance levels that we are talking about now, yeah? So whenever price gets towards a resistance zone, of course, you'll be expecting it to reverse to the downside, right? So what you have to do is to simply get a confirmation, and if you have a confirmation, you execute your sell trade, right? And then when price comes towards a support zone, just wait for a confirmation. After you get your confirmation, you can execute your buy trade. For example, you can see after price got to this support, you can see the formation of this doji here, right? And you can see how the momentum increased afterwards, which should have been a good place to enter a buy trade, right? And then, of course, you can use resistance levels that are being displayed by the indicator for your take profit targets. Okay, now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now, and do not forget to turn on your notifications so that you will not miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.